The brake override system is a safety feature designed to reduce engine power when the brake and accelerator pedals are pressed at the same time. If the system detects a fault, it may trigger a brake override warning light or message on the dashboard. This warning can affect vehicle performance and should be diagnosed promptly. Common symptoms include a brake override warning light, reduced engine power, poor throttle response, limp mode activation, hesitation during acceleration, and warning messages displayed on the dashboard. Some vehicles may restrict throttle input until the issue is repaired. The most common causes include a failed brake light switch, faulty accelerator pedal position sensor, damaged wiring, corroded connectors, weak battery voltage, blown fuses, or electronic control module communication problems. In many cases, a brake switch issue is the primary cause. To fix a brake override system warning, start by checking whether the brake lights are functioning properly. Inspect the brake light switch, wiring, connectors, battery voltage, and accelerator pedal sensors. Use a scan tool to read and clear any stored fault codes after repairs are completed. Repair costs typically range from around $50 for a simple switch replacement to several $100s if additional electrical diagnosis is required.